हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ अर्चित गोयल एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल शायरी अर्चित के साथ. फ्रेंड्स, as you all know that October 25th is celebrated as International Artist Day. So what is this and how we celebrate? How a person can take participate? What its history and why we love it? You will get all these answers in this video. So be with me till end. And let's start. International Artist Day on October 25th honors artists and all the contributions they make. The day also celebrates one of the most famous artists, Pablo Picasso, the Spanish artist who was born on October 25th, 1881. We celebrate International Artist Day on October 25th. It portrays the beauty of life or a bitter reality. It records history, revolutions, and sometimes is a means to escape them. In short, there is no history or culture without art. This day celebrates all forms of art: paintings, sculpture, photography, architecture, music, and more. Through this celebration, we show our respect for the passion and creativity in all artists. Artists work hard to create their work. They add beauty to the world around us. Most artists work with many different mediums. Not only that, but the word artist encompasses painters, photographers, sculptors, musicians, dancers, writers, actors, digital artists, and more. When one is born with a creative gift, that creativity flows into many different areas. For example, Picasso was a painter, sculptor, poet, and lot more. Art came about long before written works. Since the beginning of time, art has communicated areas and kept records of important events. Art offers a connection to the past. Artists record our history indelibly. Through their work, they tell stories and pass on traditions. Artists have a unique way of connecting to the people around them. In the world full of bad news, one of their most important roles is to offer messages of hope. Let's talk about how to observe. Several organizations around the world support International Artist Day. Some of these include the Metropolitan Museum of Art, Art Gallery of Ontario, National Galleries of Scotland, and several others. To celebrate local artists, many cities such as White Rock, British Columbia, and Spain host fine arts festivals. Galleries around the world host open houses and invite the public to view their art for free or at a discounted price. Let's talk about how to participate in International Artist Day. Do an online quiz to determine what kind of artist you are. Take a starving artist out for lunch. Buy a new painting for your home. Visit an art gallery. Attend the symphony. Sign up for art classes. Start writing that book. Learn how to play a musical instrument. Enter a talent show competition. Support your local artist. Encourage a child who has the gift of creativity. Put together a scrapbook. Creativity is all around you, which means this is a day you can celebrate every day. Just taking a photograph with your phone is a form of art. No matter what you do to celebrate, share this day on social media with hashtag International Artist Day. Let's talk about International Artist Day history. Canadian artist Chris McClure started International Artist Day in 2004. Since then, October 25th has been a day dedicated to celebrating all the contributions artists have given to society. Now let's talk about why we love International Artist Day. It recognizes all artists. Artists are a passionate and talented lot that deserve our respect for their work and contributions to our culture. It inspires us. Great works of art are truly uplifting, and on this day, we can open our senses to such inspirations. It encourages creativity. All artists, regardless on skill level, earnings, or status, benefit from a celebration like this one. So thank you for hearing. I hope that you like this video, and yeah, happy International Artist Day. Each and every one of us have an artist inside us. So just bring them out and show your creativity on social media. You can do anything like art, painting, music, dance, photography, anything which you like to showcase your talent. So like this video and share it with everyone so that people get to know that today is International Artist Day and they showcase their talent with any form of art. And do subscribe my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that when my new video will come, you will get the notification. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye bye.